Okay, so sorry kanina. So kung napapansin niyo, naputol yung live natin kasi binan tayo, sinuspend tayo ni TikTok. So since nakapag-appeal tayo, so binalik yung ating live. So nawala kasi kanina yung live button natin sa TikTok. And nag-warning si TikTok na hindi tayo makakapag-live muna, which is suspended tayo sa live. Continue tayo on January 28. So since nakapag-appeal naman ako, so thank you God kasi makapagpatuloy tayo na makapag-discuss or makapag-share sa ating learning here sa TikTok. So please do share everyone and share my live para updated na yung iba. So this is the general education. Continuation po ito kanina since naputol kami sa pagla-live. So kung sino yung nandito kanina, yung iba, sino yung nandito kanina, yung iba. Please share and like this live. Thank you. So parang wala namang hindi pa ngayon active yung iba. So continue na lang siguro natin mamaya. O ayan, pero nag-answer. So kala ko wala nang nanonood. Share my live guys para update na yung iba. Live. So sorry kung tigil kanina no yung live natin. Sino ba andito kanina na nagla-live ako at bigla na lamang naputol? Please do share and like this live para updated ng iba na pumasok sa live natin tonight. And this is continuation po ng live natin kanina na naputol dahil sa di inaasahang suspended ni TikTok. So please do share and heart and follow my live. Everyone, please do share po. So before natin i-reveal ang correct answer, so please share this video and our live para updated, para marami tayo dito. At sabay-sabay nating sasagutan yung item number 40. Ayan, so hold on your answer everyone. And please share this live. Wait ko na i-share nyo ang live para marami kita dito. And also sa mga hindi pa naka-follow, so please follow me para updated kayo sa mga next live natin here sa ating TikTok. And for those na gusto mag-avail ng reviewer, message me here on TikTok. Full package na po siya. Very affordable, very LPT friendly price. So marami nang nag-avail and sana one take lang sila this March. So kung gusto mo rin mag-avail ng exclusive na reviewer, full package, message me here on TikTok and please share my live. So this is continuation po again. This is continuation kanina. So nag-live kami kanina 4 PM to 7 PM. Kaso medyo na-cut yung aming live since nasuspend tayo kanina. So ewan ko ba kung ano ba yung reason ni TikTok, bakit sinuspend yung live namin kanina. Pero now here I just want to thank God kasi ulit kita nila ng pagkakataon para makapag-share ulit learnings. And when I tried to go live and God available siya to me, accepted yung appeal. So for this 40 items, kindly share my live para update ang iba na pumasok here sa aking live. Kasi ang live ko na ito ay hindi lang para sa isang tao, para sa 2 tao, or para sa 10 tao. Kundi ito para sa lahat ng mga gustong matuto, gustong pumasa this March 2026. And I assure to you, siya sa actual board exam. Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-avail ng aming mga full package review, very affordable siya. Message me here on TikTok. Please share so hindi ko na-reveal yung answer. So please share this live. So sa mga nagmamadali dyan, again, this live is not for you. This is for everyone. Patient is a yung iba na gustong nagmamadali, you can live live at dapat kayo ng album para next kayo agad. From the gusto mag-avail ng mga reviewer, message me here on TikTok. Sorry Yuhan kung kanina nakat tayo, 'di ba? Andun ka, 'di ba? So, yung reason kung bakit nakat yung ating live kanina kasi na-suspend tayo in a few minutes. At eto, nakapag-live ulit tayo. And for those na hindi pa naka-follow, follow me na and share this video or live para makarami tayo tonight. All right? Next question. So here are the explanation. Me now, and also one of the freebies is I will add you sa aming GC. Marami na kami doon, marami na yung mga member na mag-take fully sila ay block 140, 35, 15, 70. So please do share this live, everyone. Thank you, Johan. You are very appreciated. Hopefully, God will bless you for your kindness. Hello, Fries. Andun ka ba kanina, Fries? Di ba andun ka kanina sa live natin? Di ba nakat tayo kanina? So, nabigla talaga ako kasi naban tayo kanina. I mean, na-suspend yung live natin kanina. Ewan ko ba? Siguro overloaded na yung learnings. Kaya binan tayo kanina ni TikTok. But thank God kasi nag-appeal ako kanina. Pagka-ban, nag-appeal agad ako. Kasi kapag hindi ako nakapag-appeal, yung continuation ng live natin is January 28. So since nakapag-appeal ako, thanks God, bumalik yung live button. And here I am now to share again. So please comment your answer, do share, and follow kung hindi ka pa naka-follow sa ating live para lagi kang updated sa ating every night live lecture. This is general education. Please do share, everyone. I know na yung iba ay nandito lang para mag-answer, and I will appreciate you also, guys, if you follow me and share my live and also share this live. Thank you so much. So I see a lot of letter D, which is 70. Are you sure that answer is correct? Thank you so much for following. So ayan, marami na nagfa-follow. Thank you so much, everyone. You are appreciated. Yeah, the correct answer is letter D, 70. You are correct, everyone. Yeah, so for those na gustong mag-avail again ng full package ng aming reviewer, plus i-add ka namin sa group chat na kung saan andoon ang mga actual question ng last September at November. Hopefully, na makaka-avail ka niyan. Message me na here on TikTok. So this is the rationale, the explanation of this item. However, it's very little. So hindi siya visible. So isi-send na lamang namin to sa aming group chat and you can access this. Next one, the paper or magazine article which gives the name of the writer of the article is called byline. Headline, bannerline. Ano ba yung tinutukoy mo, Crazy Dave? Sorry, hindi ako updated. So, parang meron ng own topic sa ating comment section. Can you do this? Again, this is a continuation kanina kasi naputol yung live natin sa general education since nasuspend tayo kanina. They accept my appeal and here I am sharing again for the learnings to you guys. No po, wala kaming ganyan. Alright, so I see a lot of letter A. Are you sure this is the byline? However, I also see the letter C, the headline. So please analyze the question, the part of the newspaper daw na gives the name of the writer of the article. Saan po ba? Hindi ako aware po. Hindi pa ako masyadong alam masyado sa mga pasikot-sikot dito sa live option. So, yung akin lang is makapag-live ako, okay na. So, hindi ako aware kung merong mga ganyan-ganyan dito. Let's see. Ito ba yung draw and guess? Am I correct? Yeah, sure. Ito po ba yung Crazy Dave? Ito po ba yung draw and guess na button? Am I correct or not? Baka iba-iba naman ako dito makakapunta. Ayan ba? Ewan ko kung tama yan. Hindi ako sure. Trinay ko yan ha. Trinay kung talagang yan yung tinutukoy ni Crazy Dave. Ewan ko. If that is the guess. Get viewers to guess. So, paano ba yan gamitin? I'm not aware with that. So, yes, the correct answer is, you are correct, everyone. Alpha. The alpha is letter A. Only one po. The guessing game lang. Guess name lang po yung nakalagay here. And I don't aware other name. Again, please share live, everyone. Do share, and follow me if hindi ka pa nakapag-follow. And also, if you want to avail our full package, full package na over yung ating accent. Yung full package natin. If you want to avail our full package reviewer for a very low price, you can message me here. Kailangan mo siya i-play po bago yung question. Okay. Nakalimutan ko na kasi yung yung mga answer. So, need siya ano ba? So, yung answer ba yung ilalagay ko as guess or magbibigay ako ng other term? Like for example, A yung alpha, yung sagot. Am I correct? Hindi ako aware. Let me try. Hold on. Let me try, everyone. So, can you screenshot this para mayroon kayong reference? Can you screenshot? Alright, so let me try again. Hold on. So no need na po ba ako magtawag nito, maglagay ng own words ko? Madedetect na po ba siya? So ipapakita ko na lang paano ba? Like for example po, yung next question is, yung tamang sagot niya is letter C. So ano po ba yung ano po ba yung word na iglalagay ko? Okay, so let me try. Hold on. Alright, next question is here. Paraan ng pagbuo ng salita na ginagamitan ng tatlong uri ng panlapi ay. So, hindi na pa ako naglagay ng own words ko ha. Hinayaan ko na yan si TikTok kasi sabi nyo. A. Laguhan. B. Inlapian. C. Hinulapian. Letter D. Kabilaan. What is the correct answer from this? From this item. Paraan daw na pagbuo ng salita na ginagamitan ng tatlong uri. Guys, tatlong uri ha. Be aware. A or D daw? Are you sure? Diyos ko, na-explain ko to sa aking first video na in-upload. What will be your answer, everyone? So, need ko pa ba patapusin yung time ng guess game before i-reveal ang answer? Or i-reveal ko na yung answer? Guys, i-reveal ko na ba yung answer or wait ko na matapos yung time? Help me everyone. Hindi pa kasi ako sanay sa guessing game. I-reveal. Alright, the correct answer is yes. Laguhan po yung sagot. Letter A. Guys, tatlong unlapi, which is unlapi, gitlapi, and hulapi. That is laguhan. The kabilaan is the two. Dalawang panlapi po, which is the unlapi lang at hulapi. So that is the kabilaan. Inunlapian, that is your zero viewer guess dance daw. So hindi ko talaga alam kung paano to. But dance. Ano ba to? I-accept ko na nga, hindi ko talaga to alam. So let me research that one later kung paano gamitin si guess game. Again, for those na hindi pa naka-follow, please follow me, and if you want to avail our pangmalakasang full package reviewer, all majorship, Gen Ed, Proof Ed, drills, keywords, mockboard, pre-board, final coaching, let tips on how to pass the board exam, you can avail that one. And also i-add ka namin sa GC. You can avail those full package by messaging me here on TikTok. Letter A po yung tamang sagot kanina. It's alpha. Laguhan po yung tamang sagot. Yung tatlong panlapi po. Sorry. Here. Ang salitang kagandahan, magkaibigan, nagunahan ay mga halimbawa ng salitang may panlaping, gitlapi, kabilaan, laguhan, unlapi. So, sino pa ba yung mga nalilito dito para i-explain ko ng masinsinan? Be honest, everyone. Sino pa ba yung nalilito sa mga panlapi na meron tayo? Si Fry, sino pa? Be honest, para maisa-isa natin yung tatlong ito. Gitlapi, yung guess word mo po, wala mo na play. So, hindi ko na po siya na play kasi hindi nga ako marunong. So, let me try to research first that one. So, I'll try to, what is your answer from this item? Ito na, nagbablurred na naman siya. Wala tayong phone holder. Yes po, I'll try later. After this live, I'll try to, para sa sunod, mas maging interactive yung ating live. So now, please follow me, share this live, and also like also this live. And for those na want ng aming pangmakasang live na talagang magagamit mo to at one take lang talaga, message me here. Every night, every 1.5 lang muna ako kasi wala pa naman akong work. So maybe on February I have a work na. Maybe mag-switch yung ating schedule. Maybe hindi na siya evening, maybe afternoon na siya, between the 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock maybe. But now, let's grab the opportunity. Alright, yes, the correct answer from this item is B, it's kabilaan. The gitlapi, which is the gitna lang siya, gitna, gitlapi, gitna, kabilaan, magkabila. Yung kagandahan, yung root word natin, which is yung ang salitang ugat is ganda. Yung nilagyan natin is ka at an, so meaning kabila, kabila. Sa magkaibigan, ibig ito, ibig, nilagyan natin ng an at saka magkaibigan, meaning magkabila, kabila yung ating sagot dyan. Bakit yung magkaibigan unlapi lang? No po. Magkaibigan siya po. The root word of kaibigan is ibig po ito. Yung siya lang sa kabila. Kasi yung ang is ibig. Po, magka, the first one, and an is the last one. Kaya magkabilaan sila nabibigyan. Kasi yung root word dito is ibig. Laguhan naman po kapag nagsabay na yung ang unlapi, gitlapi at hulapi. Yes, lapi. So halimbawa yung kapangahan. Let's try to make this laguhan. Wala akong maisip. Let me try to wala akong maisip. Basta yung laguhan, guys. Isang kabilang ano natin. Here. Ito. Kung napapansin nyo, sa laguhan, pagsumikapan. Kasi, yung root word niya is sikap lang. Which nasa hulihan. Kaya meron siyang meron siyang at saka meron siyang an. Kasi laguhan siya. Kaya magbahayan. Gets ba? Yung kagandahan po, kabilaan din siya. Ganda, ka at saka an. Ano po siya yan? Kabilaan. Sa hulapi naman po, ulihan lang siya. Kasi yung root word natin is kain. Nilagyan natin ng an, kainan. Sino ba dyan ngayon ang nagkakainan? Char. Next, dagitlapi. Sumikap. The root word is sikap. So, nilagyan natin ng sa gitna. Sumikap. Kasi wala naman siya sa una, wala naman siya sa huli, kundi nasa gitna siya mismo. Kaya gitlapi siya. At ang unlapi naman, syempre, unahan. Gets nyo na yan. So, tips ko sa inyo guys, before you answer this question, you need to look or i-guess nyo muna yung kaniyang root word or yung kaniyang salitang ugat. Kasi once malaman mo na yung kaniyang salitang ugat, madali lang sa iyo kung saan siya nabibilang. Ito ba ay nasa unlapi, gitlapi, hulapi, kabilaan, or laguhan? Are we good? I hope na naintindihan nyo. Napaka-easy lang niyang sagutan. Next one, science. Ano ba yung mga question ng iba dito kanina? Teacher, magna cum laude ka po sa school. Yes po, thank you so much for recognizing my Latin honor. Thank you so much, Crazel Dave. Paano nyo po nalaman that I am a magna cum laude? Siguro na-stock mo ako, no? Char. When the source of energy is not depleted and may be used over and over again. So, ginagamit daw siya ng over and over. Sino ba dito yung paulit-ulit na ginagamit lang? Sige nga, pakitaas ang inyong kanang kamay. Sino ba ditong nakaranas ng paulit-ulit ng ginagamit? Pero patuloy pa rin nagpapagamit. Sino ba dito yung paulit-ulit siyang ginagamit at alam niyang palagi siyang ginagamit pero go pa rin siya, nagpapagamit pa rin siya. Patuloy siyang ginagamit kasi patuloy din siyang nagpapagamit. So I love that statement. Palagi siyang paulit-ulit siyang ginagamit kasi siya ay nagpapagamit. Hoy! Are you sure? Letter D. Meron akong letter B, the recyclable, and also the renewable. What is the correct answer from this item? Again, everyone, sir, ibigay mo na. Sorry, Jericho. So, dito kasi sa amin, more on chikahan para hindi lang mawatak yung brain nyo, para hindi kayo ma-stress dito. Kasi patient is a virtue. Kung marunong kang humintay, makukuha mo talaga yung iyong goal, which is magiging LPT. Right? Perfect. The correct letter is letter B, renewable siya. Thank you, Anna. Ano ba to? Amarabel. So, if you want to avail our full package reviewer again, guys, message me now on TikTok. Again, this is the continuation kanina. Sino ba dito ang nandito kanina sa live ko na bigla na lamang naputol? Sorry guys kasi na-detect tayo ni TikTok. Na-suspend tayo kanina in a few minutes. So buti na lamang pinayagan ako na mag-send ng appeal. Yes, Lynn. Yes. So sorry. Dapat kasi hindi tayo makapag-live tonight. Yung continuation ng live natin will be on January 28. However, nag-appeal talaga ako para makapag-continue ako na makapag-share ng mga questions sa inyo. Naghanap talaga ako ng way para i-continue ito. And thanks God kasi ayan na nga, naka-continue na ulit tayo na makapag-live tonight. Kaya sana sa mga viewer ko dyan na hindi pa naka-follow, you are truly appreciated if you click the follow button at the top of the corner and share this live to your friends para aware din sila na meron tayong pa-live tonight. And baka may mga roast kayo dyan, you can send it also for me. Serve as gift, no? Sa mga may mabuting puso dyan, you can send rose or you can send whale. Ito po yung explanation. Thank you so much, Yuhan. Your kindness is appreciated. All right. 46, eto naman tayo sa Filipino. Pag-aaral ng mga tuntunin kung paano inaayos ang mga salita sa loob ng pangungusap. Syntax, pragmatika, ortografiya, semantika. Sorry guys, umaalog. Wala akong phone holder. Are you sure semantika? Mary use. Are you sure is that semantika? Itataya mo ba ang iyong lisensya from this item? Guys, paano inaayos? Take note. Paano inaayos ang mga salita sa loob ng pangungusap? Is that syntax? Is that pragmatika? Is that ortografiya? Or that is semantika? So, marami akong nakikitang mali ang answer. So, sana may matutunan kayo from this 46 item. Baka sa susunod, ma-encounter nyo siya. Take note nyo talaga to. Why is it letter E? Wala naman tayo ditong letter E eh. Please follow everyone. Thank you so much sa magpa-follow. Appreciated talaga yung mga nagpa-follow sa akin. So this item will be 50 item only. So only 4 item remaining. So let's continue later 11 p.m. Kasi mag-charge muna ako and also I will eat my dinner and fix myself money. Kami sa inyo ba? So, kinahanglan ko man mag-rest, mag-beauty rest, magkaon, before mag-continue. Alright, the correct answer from this item, yes. It's syntax po. Yung semantika po, kahulugan po yun. kahulugan sila ng pragmatica. Dalawa yan, magkarugtong ang pragmatica at saka semantica. Yes, syntax talaga po. Meaning to say, yung other term, sino ba makapagbigay ng other term sa Filipino term ng syntax? Yung ano po ba yung ortografiya? Ito po yung ortografiya, ito yung pag-aaral mismo ng mga salita, ng mga wika at salita. So hindi niyo na po wag niyo nang gambalain sa ortografiya kasi distracted lang siya. Design lang po siya. So sino ba makapagbibigay ng Filipino term ng syntax? Yung syntax po, yung pag-aaral nga po ng mga tuntunin kung paano inaayos ang mga salita sa loob ng pangungusap. Yes, you are correct, Sir Cleo. Palaugnayan po ang tawag sa syntax. Sa major in Filipino, wala kayong mababasa na syntax or semantica. How about the semantica? I know. Sorry. You are not correct pala, Cleo. That is not palaugnayan. Hindi siya palaugnayan, everyone. That is palabuuan. Kung paano siya buuin. Inaayos. Paano inaayos? Paano binubuo ang mga salita? That is palabuuan. The palaugnayan is the what do you call this one? The phonologia is the palatunugan, the morphema, the I forgot those term in Filipino. But the syntax is palabuan po siya. Remember that one. Kasi sa Filipino major na examination, sa board exam, hindi nyo mahanap si syntax, si semantica, si pragmatica, at si orthographia. Alright, next item tayo. Prokaryotes come in 4 basic morphologies: spherical, rod shape, spiral shape, and comma shape. The bacterial etiology of cholera, Vibrio cholera, is blank, spiral, comma shape, spherical, rod shape. What will be your correct answer from the science? Labas mga science major. Hindi kami aware sa mga ganito. Science major, labas po. I know ang iba nang gagaya-gaya na lamang ng kanilang kasagutan. And please, again, for those who want to avail our full package reviewer, message me now on TikTok. I see a lot of letter B. Thank you, girl, for following me. Kindly share this live for me. Guys, sino ba dito yung namimigay ng mga rose? Baka pwede makapahingi ng rose. Or eto, meron ba kayo nito? Ipipin ko, guys. Baka meron kayo nito. Guys, malapit na yung time ko. Dapat kailangan ma-reach ko na ang ganito. Kahit isa lang, guys. Meron ba kayo niyan? Please. Parang awan nyo na everyone, mga future LPT. So, ipipray ko talaga yung mga mamibigay sa akin ng ganyan na makakapasa this March. Kasi yan lang naman yung kinakailangan ko. Ilang days na, ilang night na ako nagla-live, wala pa rin nang sisend ng ganyan. Hopefully na meron sa inyo dito. Sorry. Thank you for the rose. So, sino ba diyang may whale? Pahingi naman. Yeah, letter B. Letter B po yung correct answer from this item. So, sino ba yung meron diyang whale? Pahingi naman, everyone. Baka meron ka diyang whale dyan, please. I need the whale. That is the goal, my goal. For how many weeks, how many days, how many nights na nagla-live ako, wala pa akong na-receive ng ganyan. Hopefully na merong makaka-send sa akin ng ganyan. Next one, ang alpabetong Filipino ay tinatawag na panitikan, abacada, alibata, balarila. Again, for those na who wants to avail our full package reviewer, actual board exam question na lumabas last September and November, you can access that one sa aming GC. Isi-send namin this February, last week of February. If you want to avail that one, message me now on TikTok. Again, I see a letter B, abacada. Are you sure? Are you sure? Is that an abacada? How sure are you? So, itataya nyo ba ang iyong lisensya for the abacada, not alibata? Are you sure? I see a letter, may nakita kong a letter C, may nakita kong letter B. Sorry kung umaalog everyone, wala tayong phone holder. Are you sure everyone? Again, baka meron kayo diyang mga, yes po, may Again, kung gusto mag-avail ng full package reviewer, message now on TikTok. And can you send me the rose or a whale? Share this live and follow. Yeah, the correct answer is, you are correct everyone, it's abacada. Abacada. That is abacada. Not a panitikan. You are not correct for that one. It's B, sermons. Thank you so much kasi challenge ko yung iba to switch their answer, but they still remain for the letter B. Congratulations. Nagpapatunay lamang yan na you are ready to be an LPT this March 2026. Ang panitikan po ay isang uri po ng sulatin natin dito sa Pilipinas na sumasalamin sa ating kultura, pamumuhay, paniniwala, at marami pang iba. Malawak ang sakop ng panitikan. Yes. Yan. Kanya screenshot para meron kayong yes, Filipino major is a tough subject in board exam. Same sila ng TLE. Kung alam nyo lang. Many people, many examiners na kala nila math major ang pinakamahirap. No. Filipino is a very difficult subject in board exam. Next one. All these are beneficial effect of scientific knowledge except solution to practical problem, making informed decision, development of new technology, or pursuance of political agenda. What will be your answer? Hello, Josa. Yes. My co-major, Filipino major. Please do share my live, everyone, in order for you to be a license this March 2026. So only one question remain, and we will end now our live, and we will continue this later. Okay? Yeah, for those, I need one answer only. Don't put your answer in a double. Advices sa incoming college na kukunin major in Filipino, please. Yes. So, ang ma-advise namin for those upcoming college, nakukuha ng Filipino major, ang masasabi namin is go lang. Kung feel mo na kaya mo or yan talaga yung pinili mo at hindi ka talaga pinilit sa kursong yan, malalampasan mo po yan. Kasi sa Filipino major, maraming category, hindi lang isa, hindi lang panitikan yung pinag-aaralan dyan, marami pang iba. At syempre, kung talagang mahal mo ang major mo, kahit gaano pa yan kahirap, malalampasan mo iyan. Kasi kami, pinili namin ito, kaya hindi na sa amin mahirap na i-survive. So, kung na-survive namin ang ganyang kurso, alam namin na masusurvive nyo din po yan. Filipino major is very difficult major. Yes, the correct answer is letter D. You are not correct. The letter C that I can see. Hendrix, you are not correct from your answer. Letter D po, pursuance of political agenda. Ano po ang pinakamahirap sa Filipino? Kasi ako that time, my favorite subject talaga is Filipino. And I hate subject is English. But now, since I'm working as call center, I unti-unti ko nang napapahalagahan yung English. But I love Filipino pa rin. It depends na lang siguro po sa mga professor nyo if china-challenge talaga kayo or not. Kasi sa Filipino major, yung mga salita, may mga malalim na salita na hindi nyo talaga mauunawaan, na hindi talaga ginagamit, no? Mabibigla na lamang kayo na, ganito pala yung katumbas na salita. Yung mas mahirap na subject sa Filipino is pagsasaling wika. Yan ang for me lang for me as Filipino major. So, ang mas nahihirapan na part of Filipino subject sa kursong Filipino, kaya ko yung mga idiomatic expression po. Yung hindi ko talaga kaya yung pagsasaling wika. Yung ina-expect nyo sa Filipino is siguro mas maging mabihasa kayo sa paggamit ng wikang Filipino. Doon nyo malalaman kung paano gamitin ang salitang nang na N-A-N-G at salitang N-G na nang. Yung salitang raw at daw, rin at din, yung walisin at walisan, pasukin at pasukan, pahiran at pahirin. Siguro yan yung mga malalaman nyo dyan kung paano, yes, doon at roon, yes, dyan yung malalaman kung paano sila gamitin ng tama. Kasi most people, hindi nila alam kung tama ba yung pagkagagamit ng mga ganyan. So, gumamit lang sila, hindi nila alam na mali pala ang tamang paggamit ng salitang ng mga sinabi ko kanina. So, kung Filipino major ka, alam mo na kung paano yan gamitin. Yes, the correct answer is sunlight po. No po, dito na lang. Oh, marami pang viewers. Oh, sige, Yuhan, good luck. Oh, sige, continue natin kasi maraming viewers pa. Akala ko wala nang viewers tayo. So, read the question lang, guys. Mag-check lang ako dito sa inyo. Again, if you want to avail the full package. Hi, sir. Good evening din po. Drian Posada. Kung gusto niyo mag-avail po ng full package ng aming reviewer, message me here on TikTok. You can avail the Gen Ed Proof Ed Majorship, Pre-Board, Macboard, Reels, Keynotes, Keywords, actual question na lumabas last September, last November, isi-send po namin sa aming exclusive group chat. Ha? Bukas na yung exam nyo. Yung alin po, Doris? 40 in. Yeah, yan. Ano po yung correct me if I'm wrong po? Where? Andito pa sa question namin. Hindi ako updated sa iyong topic. Sir, sino ba yun? Oh, nakabisita si Sir Noor, my loyal viewer. Dars, ano ba yung ibig sabihin mo? Ano ba yung tinutukoy mo dito? Letter D, will replace human in the workplace. Let's see if that is correct. Please follow me, share this live kung gusto nyo i-continue kasi kanina ko pa dapat to ipuputulin 50 items lang dapat tayo dito Kasi kakain pa ako ng dinner ko So, para ganahan tayo mag-continue, send me a rose, share this live, follow me, and avail our exclusive and pamalakasang reviewer. Here po, sa amin din po, sa province. Hindi po ako nag-aral sa mga private school. Hindi po ako nag-aral sa mga bonggahang school. So, since hindi naman po kami mayaman, okay lang po. Hayaan mo na sila kasi gusto nila tuloy-tuloy Makaka-follow lang kayo at makaka-send ng mga rose, okay na ako. At syempre, yung mga mas ma-appreciate ko talaga yung avail ng aming exclusive reviewer. So, magpipin ako kung sino yung magbibigay sa akin nito. Ipipray ko talaga every night na one take at first and last take yan na ito. So, sino kaya yung makakabigay nito? Major. Filipino major. Wait lang po. Sino kaya meron nito? Meron ba kayo nito, guys? Gabi-gabi ko na lang ito nare-remind. Wala talagang minamimigay nito Ibig ko sabihin kung saan ka po nag-aral ng elementary student ka po. Dito nga po sa amin. Iloilo. Na-upload ko yung resume ko sa aking TikTok. You can check my personal information there if you want to know me. Yes, exactly ma'am. Meron, napakarami. Prof Ed, Gen Ed, PDF, ready to print, ready to download. Yes, yeah. So, Dinagyang Festival po sa amin ngayon. But now here, hindi ako dumalo sa Dinagyang to focus the lecture here for you guys. So, I know Dinagyang is the best festival here in Iloilo. But hindi ako hindi ako nag-attend sa Dinagyang since mas prefer ko lang dito sa house share ng learnings to you guys, to the LPT. So again, for those who want to avail, yes, Ma'am Sagittarius, message me now. I will send the details for you if you want to avail, ma'am. The reviewer for general education. Yes po. Thank you so much sa mga nakaka-appreciate ng health ko. So ngayon na ako nakabasa sa comment section na to na concern sa health ko. Thank you so much for that. You are truly appreciated. Again, yeah, the correct answer is letter D. Letter D po ang sagot. A robot is a machine, usually one programmable by a computer that can carry out a complex series of action automatically. Next one, isang bandila, isang wika, isang bayan ay sa wikiin na nanghihikayat ng pagkakabukod-buklod, pagkakaisa, pakikipaglaban, palaisipan. So this, we will end this review drills in 60 items and we will continue that later in 11 p.m. Are we good with that? 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. Hoping kung sino lang yung gising during that time, sila lang yung mabibigyan ko ng mga exclusive review drills. Again, please do share. Follow me now para updated kayo kung nagla-live ako. And please send rose. Kung sino dyan may rose dyan, message me. Ano po ulit time, sir? 11 po. 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. later. Hi, Christian. Thank you again for visiting me now. Nakakain na po ba kayo? To be honest, are you ready? Are you full ready for the let, guys? Ready na ba ang self? Ready na ba yung mental, physical? Bye po, sir. Okay, bye po, Jake. Sir, keep safe. Ma'am Sagittarius, avail ka na po ng reviewer, please. Very affordable. Message me na on TikTok, please. Hindi ka talaga magsisisi at talagang papasa ka this March. Ayan, hindi magpapatalo si Christian. Ang daming letter E. Alright, the correct answer is, sorry, pagkakaisa po ang sagot natin, Sir Christian. Hindi po siya pagkakabuklod-buklod. Isang bandila, isang wika, isang bayan. Isa. Ito na nga yung hinto. Isa. 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 Hindi nyo ba na-notice niyan? I know na ang pagkakabuklod-buklod ay medyo siya pwede din siya isagot, but yung pinakamalapit is pagkakaisa. Hindi niyo nakita yung keyword natin na isa, isa, isa. 3 beses na inulit yung isa, pero pinili niyo pa rin yung buklod. Yung kitang-kita mo na niloloko ka na niya, pero pinipilit mo pa rin magpakatanga. Kaya tuloy, sorry ka. Sorry, everyone. Next one, violinist who brought classical violin music to the masses is John Cabayao Molina Katindig. So very famous. This is a famous question in general education. Please screenshot this. Thank you, Ma'am Rosalinda Hoyes. Ma'am Rosalinda, nag-avail ng aming reviewer. Thank you so much, Ma'am. You are truly appreciated. You are the best gift ever. Sana si Ma'am Sagittarius mag-avail din. Meron bang nag-message dito sa akin sa TikTok na hindi ko pa na-replyan? Message me now po sa TikTok. Bawal kasi dito baka iban ako dito. Melkita, message me now sa TikTok. I-send ko ang details. Bawal kasi dito. Baka iban ako dito ni TikTok. Thank you, ma'am. Marami pang kaming isi-send. Wag ka lang mag-leave sa ating GC sa group chat. Sagot namin yung lisensya mo, ma'am. All you need to do, ma'am, is to download. Kapag meron akong isi-send na mga reviewer, you need to download that one and read. And if you are not comfortable for the if you are not comfortable in sa cellphone, you can print out those reviewer. Yes, Ma'am Rosalinda, isa siya sa mga patunay. So, iti-take note ko talaga yung name. Wait, isi-screenshot ko to si Ma'am Rosalinda. Kasi, gusto ko na malaman in the future, I mean this year, na isa siya sa mga nakapasa. Kasi isa siya sa mga naka-benefits ng aming pangmalakasang reviewer. At ako mismo ang magbibigay sa kanya or magli-layout ng kanyang LPT tarpaulin. Yes, the correct answer is B, Kabayaw. Next one. Clear and organized presentation for lecture and instruction is blank. Yes, ma'am, claim na yan, ma'am. Ako na nagsasabi sa'yo. All you need to do, ma'am, is to keep going. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa. If kaunti lang yung score mo for your examination, for your drills, for your practicing, don't mind it. Kasi during my time, ganyan din ako. Hindi ako nakaka-half, hindi ako nakakapasar, hindi ako nakaka-pass to the passing score. But God truly amazing. I passed my board exam in a first ever take. No retake, first take. Yes, the PowerPoint presentation, is that correct? Clear and organized. Are you correct with that? Yes, you are correct, guys. PowerPoint presentation is one of our instructional tools that we use inside the classroom, right? We are not using now the Manila paper, the traditional, because technology now is very helpful, no? So PowerPoint presentation also is very helpful for us as a teacher. That is the logo of PowerPoint presentation. Here, the following table summarizes the scores of the class of the recent test. The median score interval is median. Just me, Marimar. All you need to do is to locate the median, the median. So what is the median there? So 5 questions left before we end this live. Hopefully nakasend na kayo ng inyong naka-follow para updated kayo ulit sa ating live later. And also sana nag-avail na kayo ng aming pangmalakasang reviewer para ma-add na kayo sa aming GC. Drop your answer, everyone, before I reveal the answer. Si Sir Norden, thank you so much, Sir Nor. I know na hindi mo talaga kami iniwanan from the first, ever since day 1. Andito ka na talaga sa live namin. Even though nalilate ka, but you are trying to attend and to stay my live. Thank you so much, everyone. You are truly appreciated. I know license is a ticket for a brighter future. So, kaya kung kayo ay magkakaroon na ng lisensya, gamitin nyo ito sa tama. So, hindi ko na patagalin to kasi alam kong yung iba is hindi talaga alam ang answer. But the correct answer from this item is letter D, 40 and 7. That is the median score of the interval. I know ng iba hindi sumagot kasi hindi sila sure sa kanilang mga sagot. 4 questions left. Drop your answer now. Go. Educated Filipino, how to get the median. How to get the median, all you need to do is to locate the mid. Kung sino yung pinaka-mid doon, siya yun, median. I see a lot of letter A. Educated Filipino who led the reform movement during Spanish colonial region were called Ilustrados. Are you sure? Not insulares or peninsulares. That is insulares. Are you sure with that? Yep. Perfect. The correct answer is Ilustrados. Ilustrados is an educated Filipino who led the reform movement during the Spanish colonial region. Thank you, iBird, for following me, even though 4 questions left. But you can you will notify if magla-live tayo ulit. So, isi-send ko rin ang presentation na to sa aming exclusive group chat. Thank you, Allison and Karen, for following me. Thank you so much for your commitment. Sorry. The right of demand, the physical presence of the accused in court, known as the writ of habeas corpus, habeas data, amparo, mandamus. So, thank you so much for, now we have 4,000 viewers. Thank you so much for these viewers. Yeah, the correct answer from this item is habeas corpus. You are all correct. So, meaning to say, nagpapatunay lang ito na you are all ready to take the board exam 2026. Hopefully, na matataasan nyo pa kami sa rating. You know, no? Kung naalam nyo yung news for the rating, kami ang may pinakamataas na rating from the licensure examination for teachers rating in the past few years. So hopefully na kayo malalampasan nyo pa kami, at kung hindi nyo malampasan ang rating namin, at least pasok kayo sa banga. Andoon ang pangalan nyo. To be honest guys, grabe yung feeling during the result. As in, hindi mo alam, most especially kapag nagsiscroll ka and then nakikita mo yung mga classmate mo na nauna sa iyo at nakita mo na yung name nila. And most especially, hindi naman ako nang down, most especially yung mga classmate mo na yung iniisip mo na imposible na makapasa. Nakita mo yung pangalan na nauna na sa'yo na nandun. So, di mo na alam kung ano ba yung magiging reaction mo, kung ipagpatuloy mo pa ba. So, very halo-halo talaga guys ang feeling during the board exam result. Hindi kayo kakabahan for the exam, but the result. To be honest. Kasi sa board exam, kung kabahan ka, wag ka na magpatuloy. Kasi, magkakapawis lang yung kamay mo sa kakaba at madudumihan lang yung test paper mo, hindi ka na makakaproceed. Kukunin na yan sa'yo at hindi ka na pasasagutan ng board exam. Alright, 2 questions left before we end this live, and thank you so much for visiting my live. Most especially, we have here the 4,000.8. Hopefully, before we end this, ma-reach natin yung 9,000. I mean, 9,000 over. I mean, the 5,000 viewers. Thank you so much, everyone. You are truly appreciated. Do share, para before we end this live, ma-reach natin yung 5,000. All right, the correct answer is 1987. That is the Constitution 1987. Yes. Eto, lumabas to guys. The fisherman uses worm as blank for fish. Beat, beaten, bite, bait. So maraming nagkamali from this item. Again, for those who wants to avail our pang-exclusive, pang-malakasang reviewer, general education, professional education, majorship, pre-board, mock board, final coaching, you can avail that one for affordable price. Just message me on TikTok. And plus, i-add ka namin sa group chat namin. Ang mga member doon is magti-take din this March. Kasi isi-send namin this February yung mga naging lumabas na question last September and November. Hopefully na mag-avail kayo niyan para maambunan kayo ng mga blessings. Yes, the correct answer is bait. Not a bit, not a beaten, not a bite, but a bait. Last question. Ang atletang Pilipino ay lubhang masigasig. Ang lubhang ay isang pandiwa, pang-abay, pang-uri, pangalan. Remove the pangalan. Last number this guys. So we will continue this later by 11 or 11:30. So just bear with me lang. Magno-notif naman dyan kung naka-follow kayo sa akin. Magno-notif lang din naman yan sa inyo. Hopefully na makakapasok agad kayo sa ating live. And again, for those na nahihirapan pa rin sa kanilang review, you can avail our pangmalakasang reviewer. Sino ba si Dante? Hindi ko kilala yan. For those who want to avail, guys, message me na. Yes po, I'm a licensed teacher. Bakit ikaw po? Licensed teacher ka po ba, Ken? Sino ba dito yung inaaway ni Ken, guys? Meron ba ditong si Ken? Kaalitan? Yes po, I am a licensed teacher po. Alright, the correct answer from this, yes, pang-abay po ang tamang sagot from this. Ang pang-abay ay salitang naglalarawan na nagbibigay turing sa pandiwa na pang-uri at kapwa pang-abay. Alright, so yeah. So mahaba-haba pa po ito pero ika-cut na natin for tonight. And let's continue this later. So from now on, we have here on the 120 slides, but we are the total slide that I create here is 300. So 300 slides pero andito pa lang tayo sa 120. So since kanina pa tayo nagla-live and ika-cut na muna ika-cut ko muna. So please follow me para updated kayo later sa ating live 11 PM to 2 PM. And also if may time pa isasalin na rin natin yung mga keywords na lumabas last September. Hopefully na makakadalo kayo later. You are truly appreciated. And again, secure your license with us. And always pray kasi si God lang yung nakakaalam kung talagang time nyo na talaga. Kasi kahit gaano mo pa ka review. Kung hindi mo pa talaga time, that is not your time.